Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson, and this is the second part of the masterclass of signing up as a private investigator for the state of California. In this little video series, I'm going to go through everything you need to do from A to Z in order to sign up and be ready to go and start crushing it right out of the gates. Okay, this is the second installment of the video, and so today I'm going to show you guys how to go to the state website and download the leads for free and get set up to where you can get them skip traced. Okay, I'm going to start off by saying thanks for all the people that have liked the video, subscribed to the channel, or left a PayPal donation. Those have really started to stack up. Those fund my aviation hobby on the weekends. And so those mean a lot to me that you guys are going out of your way to support the channel and things like that. But with that being said, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. I'm going to make it real easy and it's not going to take too long. Okay, so I'm assuming that you all have watched the very first video about how to go to the state's website, identify where the investigator handbook is, read through it, and then go through the correct steps about filling out the application. Well, it's not really an application. It's more or less a PDF document on what you need to send to the state of California in order to register as a private investigator. I'm assuming you guys have already done that. This is step 2. Okay, you'd go to the exact same website. Okay, that website would be www.sco.ca.gov. So if you aren't familiar with that, you can also go up to the search bar and just type in Unclaimed Funds California. You want to click right there. Okay, it is going to take me to the unclaimed property page, which is this. Okay, at the very, very top here, second one down, it says download unclaimed property records. You want to click right here. Now, at the very bottom right here, you guys, what you're going to want to do is click on whatever range you guys are comfortable with making your phone calls and calling. I know that some of these bigger accounts can be intimidating. Whatever you do, it's going to automatically download a file to your computer. As far as when you're just getting started, the accounts that you should go after, at least this is just my 2 cents. Okay, if you guys are brand new to surplus funds, you guys don't have proof of concept yet. Okay, so what I always suggest people doing is if you can't get together face to face at like a meetup group and meet somebody that's currently doing it to see the results that they're getting, so you have that belief in your head, like you're going to want to be able to develop that proof of concept all by yourself. And usually the proof of concept comes in after you've gotten your very first deal. You know, from what I've found, a lot of people, they struggle. They get their very first deal and then they start knocking them down left and right. And so if this is your very first go at downloading property records, you don't necessarily have to go after the big accounts right out of the gate. You know, you can go and kind of build your confidence up on these little guys and then graduate up. So I want you to keep in mind on that, you guys. What I usually do is just me personally, I like going after the big accounts. I know what my time is worth and I know what the state caps me at. California is going to cap me at 10% on what I can collect. So I always keep that in mind, i.e. if I'm going after an account where I can get the claim at 10 grand, I'm going to make 1,000, probably going to net like 850 after you do the deduction for the mobile notary and the shipping costs and everything like that. But what you're going to do is you're just going to click one of these tabs right here. It's going to download the properties. Now I'm going to tell you this, you guys, this isn't going to be a little file. These are big files. In the state of California alone, they have 450,000 state funds accounts. So like I tell people, it doesn't matter how many competitors you guys have. There is such a huge volume of data there to where there could be hundreds of people a year all doing 6-7 figures, and you still would never run out of people to talk to. So that's really, really good. Now, you guys, I know a lot of these files are so big, when you get them, you're going to have to unzip them. Okay. And in order to do that, what I've found, the best way to do it is just go to easyzip.com. So you can zip files, unzip them. You just want to click the unzip tab right here. Yep. and then you want to choose the file from your computer. And then once that file is in there, you're going to want to convert it. It'll re-download that exact same file, and then it will be ready to get skip traced. So you guys, this is the second portion of the masterclass. This is really, really simple. This is just downloading the leads and getting them ready to be skip traced. So what I want you guys to do is take a breath of fresh air, sit back and relax. You guys, I'm going to divvy this up so it is the easiest, most applicable, quickest way that you guys can get this done. Okay, so don't watch any other videos. Make sure this is complete before you move on. Other than that, you guys have a great day and take care of yourself. Bye.